Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious jollof rice with some turkey. Right here I have my nicely washed turkey. Set them in the pot, spicing them up with some bouillon, some thyme. And next I'll be adding some curry powder, some salt to taste, some poultry seasoning, some dry grinded chili, and a whole lot of onions. The secret of having a yummy jollof rice is first having a rich poultry stock. Do well to have a rich poultry stock because you'll be using the stock for the jollof rice. It will help to elevate the taste of your jollof rice to another level. Right now we have a heated oil added, a whole lot of onions, some dry bay leaf, some ginger and garlic paste. In this tomato I'm scooping in right now, I have my fresh ginger and garlic, my shombo, tatashe, pepper and tomato all grinded together. So while that is frying, I went to check on our turkey, and at this point it has released its own juice and I added some water to continue the cooking process. Now I added our albini powder, some bouillon stock, salt, some all-purpose seasoning. Next I'll be adding our nutmeg powder, some curry powder. Please, if today is the first time you're coming across my YouTube channel, please do well to help subscribe to stay notified whenever I post new videos. And next I added some thyme, gave it a quick stir and allow that to fry on a low heat to avoid burning. Went back to check out turkey, and at this point it's nicely cooked. I'll be frying in this already heated oil. If you have an air fryer, you can also use that. At this point our tomato is nicely fried. Went in with our washed rice. Please wash your rice up to 4 to 5 times to get rid of the starch. And this is our turkey stock. I added it as well. It will help elevate the taste of this jollof rice to another level, trust me. I gave it a well stirred, turned it thoroughly for everything to combine, added some crayfish, and I stirred for the final time. I added the crayfish right now because I wouldn't want the tomato to start burning. Once your tomato starts burning, it will make your jollof rice burn first. And now I'm doing the toppings with the little tomato I scooped out from my pot. Now our jollof rice is not nicely cooked. I did the topping by adding an extra tomato, fried tomato for additional color. Added some onions, some green beans, some carrots. Next we added our sweet corn. You can see the face of that jollof rice, guys. And next we went in with our red green bell pepper. This aroma coming out from my kitchen right now was so nose blinding, trust me. And at this point I'll combine everything together and I'll use my foil paper to trap in the remaining moisture so that our rice will cook evenly. And at this point, guys, you can see how evenly the rice cooked. Let me know down the comment section if you like what you see. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay notified whenever I post new video. Thank you.